living a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at the new Farpoint Farm Studio here in North Carolina, and tonight I've got this new Newair 12-inch fan. And well, they call it an air circulator, but it's a fan. And what's cool about this is you can actually mount it to a wall as well as just having it laying on the ground. Now I got this thing because I want to mount it on the wall here in the shop portion of the new building, and it just seemed like it would be the perfect match for that. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it and see how well it performs. We'll plug it in. Now I'm running on 100% solar right now. I've got a power pack and a 100-watt solar panel out here. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of draw this gives us. Let's see here, we've got a manual here. All right, 12-inch air circulator. And it's the NFN12AWH00. Oh, look at that. So we do have how many watts? 69 watts, exactly. That's kind of cool. So I know that, yes, I can definitely run that off of the solar. And we have the fact that we can use it here on the ground, or we can do it wall mount. It should be mounted on a vertical, flat structure. Suitable mounting anchors must be used. When mounting to the wall, make sure the cable passes between the rear body and the base. Cool. Oh, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So low, sleep mode, light breeze is medium, and 3 is high, high air circulation, it says. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. Pull it out of the box here. Man. Yeah, okay, that was my first question, is how long is the cord? Sometimes these fans won't have very long cords, and that just kind of is a bummer if you ask me. But this one appears to be a 6-footer, so that's plenty. All right, well, let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. I'm on extension cords for right now. There we go. Okay, that's high, medium. Oh, wow. Yeah, so low is, you can barely hear it, or at least I can. I don't have very good hearing. But there we are on high. Oh, yeah, you can feel that way back here. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, it actually feels real good. It's a nice warm spring day here in the new shop, and I closed the big garage door so I could film this without the backlight being all weird. Oh man, that's awesome. Yeah, cool. All right, so let me show you this. If you look here on the back, right there and there, that's where you can hang it. So what they want you to do is hang it this way, and then you can angle it any way you want to, so you're hanging it like that. I was hoping to hang it like this, but the holes, that's not how the holes work. But it does have nice adjusters. And for like right now, I'm not going to be hanging this thing up today, but you know, it's adjustable. You can angle this thing. Heck, you can put it all the way around, looks like, or straight up, which would be kind of cool. Sweet. Well, that's it. It's not a very long video, but then again, it's just a fan, and it's just a fan that works really well. So I'll leave a link where you can pick one of these things up for yourself. Take care.